What is up, everybody? We are gonna go for my bike ride. For my first video, I attached this bike onto my helmet. I post Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So let's just get this started. Let's get into it. Alright. So I have an e-bike. We're gonna take the e-bike today. We have the regular bike over there. We'll probably be able to do some cycling with that. That'll be different though, only because, you know, my regular bike doesn't need a helmet, so therefore, like, can't record it that way, but let's get into this. Woo! Alright, I want to be careful. Just mounted this on. I just got this camera last night. See how it goes. Alright, I wonder how you guys are doing up there. Woohoo! This is fun! Car coming. Motorcycle. Alright, there's a few bikers today. Today's a really nice day. This summer we haven't seen many nice days like this, but you cannot draw this day up any nicer. Alright, guys. Oh, a dead end right there for the road. Alright, a little bumpy right here. We gotta make this a little smooth.